All right, this is a quick video for Abe. I'm just going to give you a little rundown of my higher time frame analysis and the reason why I switched from shorts here to longs here. Essentially, on the 4 hour, we had all of this bearish order flow holding, and following that down, I was just super happy to follow it. Like, here's a really good sell, there's a really good sell. And then once we broke it and came back up and tapped into like pretty much this candle that swept this liquidity with this big wick up top, I was happy to look for shorts in there. So on the 4 hours, basically it's a range. I love ranges. It broke out of it, came back in, tapped into it. So then on the 15-minute, I was super happy to continue to look for sells to take out this low to continue the 4 hour bearish order flow. We break bullish 15-minute, but then we do have this bearish 15-minute order flow within the bullish 15-minute order flow. So I took it in the morning. I probably would have been looking for buys there if I was a little bit more alert, but I just woken up and I looked at it and I was like, okay. So bearish order flow, took the low, came back, tapped into it, and it gave a 1 minute chalk, so I just entered. So I think it was a very valid trade. Not the highest probability because it's in discount, but absolutely still valid in my plan. And then once I entered that and took the L, I noticed that this entire range, basically this demand zone here, is the previous 15-minute order flow range. We take out the high, we don't put in another high afterwards, and we just have this as internal order flow. Then we chalk here, take that high, and we take this high. I would have looked for sells here. I did look for sells here as well, but there was no setup, so no losses. And then we take it. So now I'm fully bullish. The overall 15-minute order flow is bullish, as well as the internal order flow on the 15-minute is bullish. So we had this pullback, this push up. This was a valid demand area that took out this high. So I was just happy to look for buys in here. We came back down. Initially, I was looking at this whole inside bar as the POI. We tapped into it. I got a 1 minute entry criteria, so I entered. Took me out for break even, and then we came in deeper and had the 1 minute entry criteria, hit it, went to break even, took me out, and then went to my TP, which was at the high here.